What is the weight of a citizenship? How does it shape our identity, our rights, and our belonging? These questions are not merely philosophical musings, but everyday realities for millions around the world. Today, we delve into a significant piece of legislation that has stirred conversation globally, the Citizenship Amendment Act, or CAA of India. Picture this. It's December 2019. The Indian Parliament passes a bill that raises eyebrows and sparks conversations worldwide. It's the Citizenship Amendment Act. To comprehend the CAA's significance, we must first understand its origins. The story begins in 1955, with the birth of the Indian Citizenship Act. This legislation defined who could be an Indian citizen based on their birth, descent, or registration. However, it left a significant gap. What about those who sought refuge in India due to religious persecution in their homelands? Fast forward to 2003. The Indian government revises the Citizenship Act, introducing the concept of illegal immigrant. Those who entered India without valid travel documents or overstayed their permit now faced legal consequences. But the question of religious persecution remained unanswered. Enter 2019 and the Citizenship Amendment Act. This law aims to address the gap left by its predecessors. It offers a path to Indian citizenship for Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi, and Christian immigrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan who entered India before December 31, 2014. However, it notably excludes Muslims, stirring global debates about religious discrimination. The CAA's implementation has been fraught with controversy. Critics argue it challenges the secular foundations of the Indian constitution, favoring certain religions over others. Proponents, however, argue it extends a helping hand to those facing religious persecution in neighboring countries. The CAA has also led to nationwide protests across India, with citizens standing up to voice their concerns and fears. These protests have often resulted in violent clashes between the protesters and the law enforcement agencies. In the wake of the CAA, India's citizenship verification process, the National Register of Citizens or NRC, has also come under scrutiny. Critics fear the combination of CAA and NRC could render many existing Indian Muslims stateless. Stepping back, the Citizenship Amendment Act is a complex piece of legislation with profound implications. It challenges our understanding of citizenship, not just in India, but globally. It forces us to ask, who has the right to belong, and under what conditions? The CAA is not just about legal definitions and bureaucratic processes. It's about identity, belonging, and the pursuit of safety. It's about the weight of citizenship. And as the debates continue, the world watches, reminding us that the question of citizenship is not just a domestic issue, but a global conversation that shapes the world in which we live.